Welcome to Tech's new tip. Discover the power of progress, where the treacherous roads return and the deep terrain is filled with heavy truck drivers, admiring the sheer power of the chainsaws to the limit of their courage. Every turn of the wheel, every delicate handling stage makes watching tense to the point of breathlessness. The suspenseful episode prepare for nerves of steel, because this action promises any moment. This innovative machine features sturdy shovel arms that securely grip the tree's base, cutting deep into the soil without damaging the roots. It then gently lifts the tree and transports it to a new location, ensuring the tree remains healthy and continues to thrive. Oh my goodness. The Bandit 3500 stump grinder is an absolute beast. In the blink of an eye, it completely erases stumps with unmatched speed and efficiency. With its superior grinding power, it effortlessly demolishes even the most stubborn tree stumps. Just a few minutes of operation, and the stump is gone without a trace, showcasing the raw cutting and grinding strength of the Bandit 3500. A long dead tree on private land met its end in spectacular fashion with the help of dynamite. This method, commonly used for removing dead or damaged trees, is especially effective when safety is a concern, as chainsaws can pose significant risks. However, it's crucial to note that this approach should only be carried out by experienced professionals. Attempting it without the right expertise is extremely dangerous and definitely not a DIY project. It's a sight to behold, a skillful display of expertise that brought the tree down flawlessly. Ed, oh my goodness. The 4-ton stump disappeared before my eyes in mere minutes, as if it had never been there at all. The crushing power of the SG-75 stump grinder is absolutely mind-blowing. With its superior capabilities, it effortlessly obliterates even the mightiest stumps in the blink of an eye. This machine is a true beast. The Multi-1 root planer is a game changer, offering a safe and effective alternative for removing roots. Operating at low speeds and high torque, it delivers superior performance compared to traditional high-speed grinders. Efficiency, precision, and safety, all in one incredible tool. Holding down a massive tree stump with a small tractor is no walk in the park, but it's far from impossible. Talk about pulling it off with style. He tackled that challenge head-on and made it look effortless. He is so lucky. Operating a logging truck is far more complex than it appears. This video offers an eye-opening glimpse into the challenges and intricacies of hauling timber. From navigating sharp turns to securing massive logs, these tasks demand not just absolute precision, but also exceptional skill and experience to ensure the truck is safely maneuvered on treacherous roads. Here we are, watching a mother digging into the earth to craft a makeshift bathtub for her little one. The determination on her face, the precision of every scoop, it's both endearing and absolutely hilarious. Absolutely incredible. This is a perfect example of how nature can catch you off guard. Those towering giants are more powerful and unpredictable than they seem. For a second, time stood still, heart pounding, breath held. It looked like disaster was inevitable. But in a split second, everything was okay. A stump, standing just over 6 feet tall, didn't stand a chance against this powerhouse. Despite the new river blade being only 60% sharp and encountering rocky ground, the machine maintained its grinding speed and effortlessly powered through the challenge. Its superior performance crushed the stump quickly without missing a beat, proving it's built for even the harshest forestry conditions. Out of nowhere, the horses emerged like shadows, swift and silent. Then, in an awe-inspiring twist, the house collapsed, as if swept away by an unseen broom. trees fall, but this dead pine took it to a whole new level. Upon impact, it exploded like a chaotic storm, sending debris flying in every direction. Have you ever witnessed something this wild?